The title of this lecture is, Why do leadership roles and hierarchy exist? In this lecture, I'm going to present some ideas about the existence of leadership. Leadership roles exist for a reason. I mean, we wouldn't have roles like team lead, supervisor, manager, general manager, or executive if the roles were redundant or not needed in the organization. Simply put, the leadership roles must provide some benefit. Otherwise, there would be no reason for countless organizations worldwide to have them. The leadership roles exist because the hierarchy within the organization provides the organization with a competitive advantage. If hierarchy did not provide a competitive advantage, then organizations would cut down on leadership roles and would instead have a simpler, flattened structure. Wouldn't reducing the organization towards including only the work producers and removing the management overhead not save money and increase efficiency? It doesn't. It has been found that the handling of numerous complicated tasks can be most efficiently handled when they are broken down into hierarchy. So management-type roles make organizations able to handle tasks more efficiently. When organizations are faced with having to perform many different complicated tasks, as most often have to, the way the leaders schedule, sequence, and organize the tasks ends up determining the efficiency and success of the organization. In addition, hierarchies serve other functions. For example, the people with most competence are placed higher up the level in the hierarchy, such that they are able then to transfer their skills down the hierarchy to their subordinates. The hierarchies facilitate efficient skills and knowledge transfer. In addition, there is also the matter of speed. Hierarchies are often used in places like the police force or the military, because hierarchically driven organizations have a quick response time to challenging situations. In short, I can summarize these ideas into the idea that leadership exists to manage efficiently the hierarchies of organizations towards gaining a competitive advantage.